kabire karya karu n'amashemererwa aha mukoro gwa gatanu go kujweka bejigana 25 bahendire mishomo yabo ahitendekere rya Raptech Institute of Business and Technology umurintunga mu municipality. Rogers Ayijuka, director w'itendekere asimira abazira habwo kwegesa abana babibye mikono kandi yashaba mama Janet Museveni okubakwatiraho na za computer.
Bagira ngo twahirwe minister yizire ngo mutshabire computer ngo mutshabire za computer no mabu kosa to computer
the technical programs, plumbing, electrical, building, the girls form about 10%. So there is need to continue educating our children that it is no longer the case.
I congratulate each one of you for this remarkable achievement. I commend your dedication, perseverance, and hard work throughout your academic journey.
Minister Mama Janet Kataha Museveni ojwekirwe bata kama tene to munyishengero kazuwantungamo nkomujenyi mukuru araganiso kwa rukuza kwatira hwitendekere na za computer z'urukumara.
Last month part 1 ebirabiro na bishatu tukagabaho computers tukankata 8 omutunga mu municipality
amashemerero mwenda gokoyi nizima bazire kumsiari yechi bikura kwenu shemerika for this great achievement.
Ibintu bitanguhi muka finally nari nachikaho shemeri munonga kusanga ngo nahikaho izoberi
aha bejigana 25 bahendire mishomo yabo igani 13 babiri barya babishiki aha bwa TV West and area Sertugusa.